Alright guys, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of House of Cars. Today we're going to be installing the short shifter on the 240. You know, so we can do more race car shit. So it's a pretty simple job. A couple bolts and we'll be done. Alright, so I know for sure you need a 12 mil. We got to get wood. Because I just realized that my e-brake doesn't work, so we'll roll downhill.
Nah, fuck it, let's roll, bro.
No, I'm okay. I kind of like my car and don't want it to run.
Alright, I'll go get some wood.
Alright, appreciate that.
That wood?
Oh, that's
other wood? Other wood? Alright. I'm going to get some wood because e-brake life don't work. Ooh. You guys don't know, but new wheels are lit. Caught these from my man's driver. I think it's a RB25 240. Don't mind the mess. Got all the essentials. My jack's inside, so yeah. New wheels, drift spares though. Not dailies. Fender flare videos coming soon, promise. So yeah, got the wood for Mr. No E-brake right here.
Why you hating on me because I don't have it? My e-brake broke, okay?
It broke because of what?
Because of the drift button.
Being cheap.
No, the
Drift button was like $1.
I got it through Juku Racing.
Hey, shout out to Njuku Racing. E-brake button broke.
Yeah. Would you like me to show the people? Look at this. It won't come off. So when I pull, it pulled the whole e-brake out instead of the button, just the button. So I ripped it off.
Damn, you know what that sounds like though?
Now I have, I mean, I can drift all the time though, because it just, you know, goes up and down.
But you know what that sounds like?
What?
A you problem.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Look at this ugly thing.
I'm gonna take it out first.
What?
Take it out first.
Go ahead.
All right.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good. All right, so show them the. All right, so there's supposed to be 4 12mm bolts in here. Up here, there's one.
One missing.
2 missing, actually. I'm missing 2.
There's one
right there.
There's another one, and
I think we're gonna have to take off my shit. I think we're gonna have to take this off.
Oh, bro, it's a 240. Just rip this bitch off. Look at that.
No bolts necessary, guy.
Go ahead.
Oh my god, my head unit. Seriously. Yo, whoever had this car before me, you gotta rig the fuck out of this car. This is so dangerous. I don't think I should be driving this anymore. Anyways.
Hashtag ashy hands.
Hashtag fuck you. Anyway, so this bolt, I already took it off. Boop 112. RIP. I don't know where I should put this. I'm gonna put this in here.
Up your ass? Oh, okay. Cool. Horribly. Focus, bitch.
With the camera.
Ah, it focused.
Finally.
This guy. Trying to get this shot.
I mean, I kind of need the, you know.
Nah, we need the shot, bro.
So not working on it is more important. Getting the shot.
Facts.
It's more important than actually working on it.
100%.
I'm just trying to verify.
That's what she said.
Whose man's?
Hashtag lotion hands.
Hashtag light skin, so it doesn't matter. Oh my god, look at this wiring back here. I just want to take the moment to realize that I could die any moment. Just saying.
Fire hazard? I think not.
Alright, so now I'm taking off the knob. And you know, a lot of you guys don't know this, but this is the actual cam from this car. Because I'm pretty sure the person before me blew through like 4 KAs. So, yeah, this is the KA cam. Authentic.
Garbage.
Yeah, KAs are the opposite of garbage. You should shout out
that cam is garbage.
Oh, okay. Alright, so now we're taking off the boot.
Comment below if that's our gang.
Ah, boo. Do I really have to take off this whole center console? Psych. Why do work when you don't have to?
Why do work?
Oh my god.
Why? Oh, it's oiled.
Wow.
Hey. Lubed up and ready to go.
Oh no. Oh no, baby.
Oh no, is that the floor?
Yeah,
I'm just kidding. Obviously, it's the floor.
Alright, so I'm gonna unconnect this. Disconnect this.
Bro, just put that on the floor.
Yeah.
So we got the top bolts. I'm going to get the new one to show you guys right now. It doesn't have one, but we'll figure it out because this is it right here. It's purple.
So now there's 4 12mm bolts. If you would like to get this shot here, Fritz. 12mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, and then the other 2 are way up there. You're not gonna be able to see it. But these 4 right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get these.
Wait, do you
4.
have to get the top?
The
one all the way up there?
The ones up there. Yeah.
How the hell do you do it?
With the tool I got.
Oh, the ratchet tool.
Yeah. All right. So now we're gonna pop these bad boys. These look like they've been here for like, you know, let's just say a long time.
What?
There's not bolts up there.
There's no bolt?
No bolts.
Cool.
I think I need to go buy bolts.
Put some power into it. No, I can't. That's bad angle.
I'm gonna have to scoot over then.
Hey, see? Clear. Nope, it wasn't in.
God damn it, Fritz! Why would you do that? Bruh,
Hashtag my bad.
Bruh, for real?
Just put it back
you just
in.
basically
Just put it back
fucked
in.
everything that we just did.
It should work now. Nope, that takes the plastic off.
Damn it, Fritz.
Hashtag my bad.
Whose mans? Whose mans are you? Whose mans? Right. Your man Tony just walked inside. Go tell him that you're his man and you apologize.
Bro, can you put it in all the way?
That's what she
Short
said.
stroke and face ass.
Right stroking.
Bro, keep going.
This is as far as it's gonna go. Oh, never mind.
Alright, so we're just gonna put it and then get the bolts tight it real quick.
Yeah.
That's what she said. Nope, that doesn't make sense at all.
You ready?
Ooh. Nope. Nope.
Yeah, I think it's in.
Hold on. There it is.
Alright.
Put the bolts in. Ew.
Yeah, it's gone.
Look at this man leaning and shit.
I'm all kinds of fucked up, okay?
3K, he got an SS Camaro.
Gay!
Hashtag Camaro owners be like.
Gotcha.
What do you say?
He's a race video.
When I get that
Sorry,
turbo kit.
I hate to break
Hold
it
on,
to you.
hey! When I get that turbo kit, guaranteed.
When
Hey, that boat is getting smoked, alright?
real quick though, it's not a race car, it's a drift car.
Oh. Yeah, how about drift with us, huh? Oh, alright. Turn off that
Those traction control.
this traction control and get loose, buddy. Hey, how much does 1.5 ton pickup? That's 3,000 pounds. None of our cars weigh 3,000 pounds.
Except for Rike's. Rike's car's a boat. Yeah, that's it though. You know, keep it one-handed. One. You keep it 98. LMFAO.
Because 100 is too mainstream.
Yeah. Nigga had to change it.
Not 92 plus 2. 98 plus 2.
92 plus.
Hashtag I suck at math.
Yeah. Hashtag
Don't tighten it all the way. Just get a good little snug, you know, right before you.
That's one hell of a hand.
Not-
Hoonigan stuff. Is
What?
that what's about to happen? Hoonigan stuff, you ready? Hoonigan shit? Hit markers.
That is not happening.
No, didn't think so.
That takes too much editing.
Facts.
We don't have this.
Hit marker.
That's a shit marker, not a hit marker.
Oh. Little dick marker.
Oh. Pretty sure you can't jinx somebody. You gotta jinx yourself, if anything.
So you're not even gonna test it out?
Oh, wow. That is so short.
Like your...
Does that feel like it goes into gear now?
Yeah.
It's on 130.
Oh, this is a lot
Hey
of
Ricky, when you gonna get an exhaust so I could hear them bald eagles? When you gonna get an exhaust so I could hear them bald eagles?
all those markers.
Not next Friday, probably the Friday after.
Friday after next.
So never.
It has to happen now. I said it on the internet.
He said it on the internet.
Facts.
Bruh,
You don't hear nothing out of that.
can you believe the threats, Tony?
Baby ass cam.
Have it sitting in your car.
Yeah, baby.
Well, you need to just put that shit in his engine. Let me feel it. Let me feel it.
Yes, bro. It feels so much better like that, doesn't it? Don't lie. It does feel better.
Oh. Hashtag I get drunk at 8 o'clock.
Oh, man, that feels fucking nice.
Yeah.
All right, now take the other one off. Now take it off and put the other one on. It feels nice compared to...
John.
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going, little boy?
Feel it.
Still
Feel
feels
it.
the same about the same one.
That is some notchy shit right,
But which one feels better?
The big one.
Hey, as long as you got line lock,
there. What about the gauge? What am I doing about the gauge now?
Am I lying, Ricky?
just put it.
I'm listening.
Hey, Tony.
Oh my god.
It's my man's Dietrich. Oh. Oh no.
Alright guys, we ran into a couple different things on the way, but we successfully installed the short shifter. Like I said, it's a pretty simple job. All you really need is a 12mm, a socket, and if you have the bolts that are supposed to be there, a wrench. So
Like a swivel
a
head
ratcheting wrench, a ratcheting wrench, or a 12mm ratcheting wrench. But besides that, it's a breeze. So make sure you get yourself a short shifter. It's a great mod to do. It's not expensive, and it'll help your 240 perform better. All right, guys, have a nice day.
Like, subscribe, comment that my E46 is hard with the new wheels. Oh, can't see it. All right. Thank you guys for watching.